Hello and welcome to the 20th square in the Odyssey of Textures Blanket. This square is called the Ripple Stitch. For this square we will need the basic size 4 yarn, a yarn needle, a 5mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. To start, we will chain 30. For row 1, in the second chain from hook, place a single crochet. Then continue single crocheting down the row. For row 2, chain 1 and turn. In the first stitch of the row, place 3 double crochets. For the row repeat, you will skip the next 3 stitches, then place a single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 3, and working into the same stitch as your single crochet, place 3 double crochets. Repeat this down the row. Skip 3 stitches, then place a single crochet. Chain 3, then 3 double crochets into the same stitch as the single crochet. Repeat this down the row until you have 4 stitches left. When there are 4 stitches remaining, place a single crochet into the very last stitch. For row 3, chain 1 and turn. After the turn, place 3 single crochets into the very first stitch. Skip the next 2 double crochets. Around the 3rd double crochet, you will place a front post single crochet. So working around the body of that double crochet, place a front post single crochet. Chain 3. Working into the chain 3 space from the previous row, place 3 double crochets. Repeat this down the row. Skip the next 2 stitches. Then place a front post single crochet. Chain 3. Then 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space from the previous row. Repeat until there are 4 stitches remaining. With 4 stitches remaining, place a single crochet into the very last stitch. Repeat row 3 until the piece measures as close to 7 inches as you can make it. To finish off this square, I like to flatten the top. To do this, I will chain 1 and turn. Then I will single crochet across the row. For the border, chain 1 and turn. Place 3 single crochets into the corner. After the corner, place 25 evenly spaced single crochets along the side. Repeat these instructions around the square. Each corner receives 3 single crochets, and each side receives 25 single crochets. To join, we will slip stitch into the beginning chain 1. I like to mark the front of my square with a slip of paper and a pin.